Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon Fire TV how to screen mirror. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to screen mirror on Amazon Fire TV, the first step that you need to do is turn on your screen mirroring on the Fire TV. So simply open up your Fire TV and then tap on the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once that's done, what you need to do is select display and sounds. Then once you select display and sounds, in the display and sounds option, you find an option that says enable display mirroring. Simply tap on that, and once that's done, and your Fire TV will now show rating the device. If you want to mirror your phone or computer, all you gotta do is simply head over, then open up or drop down your control center, and you'll find the screen mirroring option right here. Then all you gotta do is turn on the Bluetooth device or connect the mobile and the Fire TV to the same Wi-Fi, and the device will be shown right here. All you gotta do is tap on that device, and then all you gotta do now is select the Fire TV, and you screen on the TV instantly from the Windows PC. What you need to do is simply press Windows plus K and select your Fire TV and upload connection on TV, and that will connect your PC to the Fire TV. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.